So excited today to have you here with me. I have been planning and planning and planning. How in the world will I do my bathroom? The walls are painted, thanks to my son. The closet has been completed, thanks to me. Thank you. And all the imperfections is because I did it. Welcome to all the subscribers. Thank you for the subscribers who have subscribed just in the last couple of days. Blessings to you. I'm excited that we can share with each other. And though we may be slightly different because we are unique, we still can enjoy each other's gifts of how we decorate. Let's get this thing on the road. I know it's going to be hard to believe, but I'm going to be quiet and let you take in the scenery. And here I am. Thank you for being here. You all, thank you so much. I am so glad you're here so I can share the vision in my head on the canvas of the wall. And this would set the stage. This beautiful artwork from Hobby Lobby. Thank you. Please help me. Would you like? Comment and subscribe. But most of all, thank you for being here. Until next Thursday. Bye-bye.